Welcome cycling crowd for a quick video that I just felt like I had to share with you because I just found this on the internet while researching. There's a new product for you gravel loving folks out there. Long enough we've been waiting for something like this to show up, I think. As you know, maybe from one of my other videos all about the nice stuff for cycling, links are in the descriptions and up here. The good people at Decathlon divide their cycling clothes into 4 brands. BT-Win, Triben, Van Riesel and Rock Rider. But just now they made a small adjustment for this. For some time now they are selling trekking bikes and bikepacking equipment under another brand. And since gravel riding and bikepacking recently are getting closer to moving in with another, Decathlon has now put their first clothing product to that 5th brand. And that 5th brand is Riverside. And that product, more specifically, is a pair of bib shorts. And not any bib shorts, it's something they didn't offer so far. It's cargo bib shorts. And this is what it looks like. So it's the Riverside Cycling Bib Tights GRVL500 cargo in black. And it costs 55 pounds. And in Europe it's 60 euro. I found it also. Which makes it a little bit more affordable than the other pair of gravel bib shorts which they had, which is the, let's say, bigger brother, the Gravel 900. So as you know, 500 and 900 is like the typical range. 500 already being a really good one, and 900 being the top-notch upper tier. And you can also see this is still with Triben, and usually 65 pounds would be already quite pricey for a Triben product. So I assume maybe they will also move some more into the Riverside now, because I think also that the name sounds nicer for products for gravel riding or maybe trekking or bikepacking. So this one has some merino wool in it, and so it makes it smell less if you're on a long trip. And the pockets on the side, and yeah, the guy looking so happy to ride it. It has very good anti-slip strips down here, which he's showing, but not much to see. Yeah, actually we don't see which pad is inside, at least not better than this picture, but hard to tell. At least from the spec, I have to admit this is probably at least from the spec, the best pad. So it has 150 density. The others usually have 120, and also the one that I want to show you now, the Riverside one, has the 120. The nice thing, the cargo part actually, is the nice thing about this, and let's have a look. So it has the pockets on the side, and it has pockets on the back. How cool is this? Pants with pockets on the back. And I think they have a funny photo here with a banana inside. So you can see it's fairly big, and you can put a lot of snacks, tools, maybe a small jacket or rain cape or something in there. And I think that's just amazing. So you don't need to bring a backpack and or another jacket with all the stuff, which then drags down and flies in the wind, and you can really just have it here. The only thing I would be a little bit concerned about is that, at least for me personally, this is a very sweaty area usually, at least when you push hard and when you really exercise. And maybe that's different on a bikepacking trip, but this could be interesting then, especially if you have a little bit more pressure than on this area due to the stuff filled in the pockets. But I think in general it's always nice to have more storage. And here you can see it's the pad that we already know from the Triben, no, it's the Van Riesel 500 with the different layers and the 120 density. Really good pad, by the way. Also, in the other videos, if you haven't watched them, I highly recommend the GRVL500 pens. It's just such a good value for money. All right, that's it. I just wanted to share with you because this is new and they didn't talk about it. No news, nothing on the internet so far in any social media. And I think I could only find it in Decathlon France and Decathlon UK so far. But I'm pretty sure this will come everywhere pretty soon, as this is still new and will slowly roll out to all the other markets. So I hope you like them too. I'm really excited about them because for me this is something new and it's definitely affordable, and as soon as they come to my area, I'm gonna get those for my next bikepacking trip. Have a good one, ride safe, make sure you leave a thumbs up. See you guys.